Hello newcomers and welcome back to those who have stopped by previously. Today we're going to look at how a bill of materials or BOMs are used in the manufacturing application and how the use of those components are tracked in inventory. Let's start by going to the manufacturing app. From our dashboard, we'll just go ahead and select manufacturing. And the first thing I want to do is look at our bill of materials menu. If we go up here to products and select bill of materials, we'll see all the bill of materials or BOMs that we already have made. Now here, these are ingredients for the BOM that I'm ultimately trying to show off, but let's go ahead and click into the bacon cheeseburger. We'll see the components that are used to make our bacon cheeseburger, some of which are BOMs themselves, like the cherry aioli, which we saw on our previous menu. The next thing I want to do is take a look at a product we have on hand so that we can see when items are consumed, how they move within our database. If we select the products menu and again go to products, we'll see everything that is contained in our inventory. The item I want to look at specifically is the Kaiser roll. Here you can see that we have 93 of those on hand. We'll come back to look at this number to see how it's effective when a bacon cheeseburger is ordered and manufactured. So let's say we had a customer just order our bacon cheeseburger and that has generated a manufacturing order. We'll see here all the components needed to make our bacon cheeseburger. And because all of these items are available, meaning we have them in stock, we can go ahead and mark them as done. Once that is loaded, you'll see that all of the components have been consumed. And if we go to our product moves, we can see how every individual component was moved to a production location. And once the burger was complete, it was now in our stock. But remember when I said the Kaiser roll quantity on hand of 93 was important? Let's go ahead and click on that Kaiser roll, and we'll see that the one consumed to make that bacon cheeseburger has been consumed here. What's better still is that we can now click on the on-hand smart button, and we'll see a value for the entirety of our stock of Kaiser rolls. This kind of tracking can be done on every product that you have in your coolers or in your stock warehouse, depending on your business, of course. One more useful thing that we can look at to help you keep track of your inventory can be seen by clicking on products and going to your entire product catalog and then switching that to list view. Here, everything will be displayed, showing you what we sell it for, how much we paid for it, how much we have on hand, and we've got our forecasted quantity, which takes our stock on hand and accounts for any incoming receipts of product as well as outgoing product. And there you have it, a quick look at using a bill of material in the manufacturing app and how you can use Odoo to track all the products in your own stock locations. Come back next week when we'll take a look at the quality application and how you can use lots and serial numbers for your products. As always, thanks for watching.